Clean kitchen cabinets make a happy kitchen. Cabinets are important. They are the heart of your kitchen's storage and organization. We see them every day. They hold our dishes, our spices, and all the essentials that make cooking a joy. But over time, they can get dusty, greasy, and dirty. This not only affects their appearance, but can also impact the overall hygiene of your kitchen. Cleaning them regularly makes your kitchen look and feel fresh. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, and it starts with sparkling cabinets. Let's learn how to clean them the right way. With the right tools and techniques, you can keep your cabinets looking new and your kitchen feeling inviting. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you get more amazing videos. Before you start cleaning, gather everything you need. You will need 3 microfiber cloths, 1 for dry dusting, 1 for washing, and 1 for drying, an old toothbrush for scrubbing nooks and crannies, warm water, dish soap, baking soda for tough stains, and white vinegar for shining. First, remove everything from your cabinet doors. This includes dishes, decorations, and anything else hanging on them. Next, use a dry cloth to dust the cabinets. This removes loose dirt and crumbs. Cleaning different cabinet materials. In this section, we will explore the best methods to clean various types of kitchen cabinet materials. Each material requires a specific approach to ensure it remains in top condition and looks its best. Different cabinet materials need different cleaning methods. Understanding the right technique for each type can help maintain their appearance and longevity. Let's start with wood cabinets, which are a popular choice for many kitchens due to their classic and warm look. Wood cabinets. Mix warm water with a little dish soap. This gentle solution is effective in removing grease and grime without damaging the wood. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as they can strip the finish and damage the wood over time. Dip your cloth in, wring it out well, and gently wipe the cabinets. Make sure the cloth is damp, not soaking wet, to prevent water damage. Rinse your cloth often to avoid spreading dirt around. Pay special attention to areas around handles and edges where grime tends to accumulate. Dry the cabinets with a clean, dry cloth. This step is crucial to prevent water spots and maintain the wood's finish. Regular drying also helps to avoid any potential water damage that could lead to warping or discoloration. Laminate cabinets. You can clean laminate cabinets the same way as wood cabinets. However, laminate is more resistant to moisture and stains, making it a bit easier to maintain. Just be sure to avoid using abrasive pads or cleaners that can scratch the surface. Glass cabinets. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. This natural solution is excellent for cutting through grease and leaving a streak-free shine. It's also a great eco-friendly option that avoids the use of harsh chemicals. Spray the glass and wipe with a clean cloth. Use a microfiber cloth for the best results, as it won't leave lint behind and is gentle on the glass. For stubborn spots, you can let the solution sit for a few minutes before wiping. Dry with a clean, dry cloth for a sparkling shine. Regular cleaning will keep your glass cabinets looking pristine and help prevent the buildup of grime and fingerprints. Remember, the key to maintaining all types of cabinets is regular, gentle cleaning tailored to the specific material. Leave us a comment below and tell us how you normally clean your cabinet doors. Maintaining your sparkling cabinets. Keeping your kitchen cabinets looking pristine and sparkling can be a rewarding task. It not only enhances the overall appearance of your kitchen, but also ensures a hygienic environment for your family. You cleaned your cabinets, great job. Now keep them clean. Regular maintenance is key to preserving that fresh look. Wipe up spills right away. This prevents stains and sticky residues from setting in, making future cleaning easier. Dust your cabinets every week. Dust can accumulate quickly, especially in the kitchen. Regular dusting keeps your cabinets looking fresh and prevents buildup. Clean them with soapy water every few months. Use a gentle soap solution to remove grease and grime that can accumulate over time. Be sure to dry them thoroughly to avoid water damage. Your kitchen will always look its best. With these simple steps, you can maintain the beauty and cleanliness of your kitchen cabinets, ensuring they remain a highlight of your home. It's been good to spend time with you today, and I will see you soon in the next video.